They put the fun in fundamental.
They're not always fun.
And they're not always fundamental. Welcome to Finance Friday, where we discuss financing fundamentals.
We have all these activities that we know are good for us and we put off doing them.
You mean like fitness?
Let's see what you do there. How about food? Eating healthy instead of bacon cheeseburgers, and cleaning the gutters on your house to make sure your roof doesn't leak, and working out. We know they're good for us, but we postpone them. Same thing with your business. There are financial documents you should keep up to date at all times, such as your balance sheet and your P&L, your year-to-date P&L, and you should do these every quarter. And how about a marketing plan? You know, if you're a small business, one employee, solopreneur, or 2 or 3 people, maybe you don't have a marketing plan, but a middle market company, you're doing $7 million a year in revenue.
Depending on the size of your business, a marketing plan is essential.
These documents all come into play when you have a financing request. And the problem with a financing request, it might sneak up on you.
Like this bead on your arm.
Wasp.
Stay tuned next week for If Then Thursday. We will expound upon the financial documents and why this is beneficial for your business and why you should not wait and why this is not just a, oh, that would be nice kind of segment.
Somebody loves alliteration.